Today, let's take a tour of a ground-mounted rooftop solar system, or a rooftop ground mount system, if you will. So here you can see I'm starting on the top of an electrical tower, and I'm going to float down to this neighborhood to see if I can find a home with a solar panel system on it. Looking around, nice river to my left, and oh, there we go. I think I see one. Let's take a look to see what we've got. Yes, here we do. Here we go. We've got a rooftop ground-mounted system. Looks like 4 panels, about 200 to 250 watts each, probably a 1,000 watt array or so. Looks like they've done some interesting wiring here, just taking from one junction box to the other and foregoing MC4 connectors altogether. Um, I guess that could work. Seems to be some kind of series parallel setup going on. And then going into this box here, maybe there's some microinverters inside. Let's see if we can open it up. Nope, that is not going to open. I wonder how they get the solar panels into the home, though. And the power into the house. Not sure. Oh, looks like the neighbors have double size array. I wonder if these guys are jealous of their neighbors with twice as much solar panel going on. Alrighty, well, let's go inside and see if we can figure out how the solar panels are integrated into the home. Okay, we're inside. Looks like there is some electrical power in the house. Some table lamps, some overhead lighting. Let's go in this room here and look around. No light switches anywhere that I can see. Maybe there's one in the bathroom. Oh, do I have a light in the bathroom? No light switch, so not sure. Maybe the power is just on all the time, but that light's off. I'm not sure what's going on there. All right, well, no obvious way that the solar power is integrated on this floor here. Let's take the stairs down and look to see downstairs if we can find anything. You know what? Forget the stairs. Let's just jump over this ledge and we'll go inside. Looks like the kitchen. And we've got some lighting overhead here as well. Again, no light switches. Again, always on. Maybe in the garage we can find something else. And, oh, yes, looks like we've got the main junction box for the house. And a cable that runs down, possibly through the walls from the roof, bringing solar in to what looks like a residential mailbox. And then it looks like this is the main shutoff panel of some sorts. And then maybe a outdoor rated box that doesn't seem to go anywhere, or possibly does, can't really tell. But yeah, this looks like it's the main integration of solar into the home. So no batteries, just probably a microinverter and supplementing the local utility power. Well, that was a pretty simple tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.